Hayi ngimnanzi mfowethu ngijabula ukuthi ngibe nawe ngibe nebalaleli bemsakazo iBCR FM. Njengoba usoshito ligama lalo la ekhaya e-studio unguluyanda Sibonga Amaseko laba amatiyo nje bambita nga Mr Beautiful. Laba ngacabanga ukuthi abasengamboni bangacabanga nje se-thrill.
Yeah.
Laba ngilaba njalo.
Okay, seyisukile. Mina besiya ku Ugly Stories of Mr Beautiful lesikhathi ufika.
Yes, yeah, besiya ku event yami annual le ngivame kuyihosta each and every year.
Yeah.
Ugly Stories last time ngiba nawe la.
Boy// ama ufika la ngifuna kuva ukuthi ungetile ngoba lokunye lengakuthola anibuye bathi wenda ama fiction le mangifika khona lokunyeni lengakubona ngathi mathi introduce la awuzange usho ukuthi ngibabe so angathi ukuthi iqiniso kumbe manga ngoba nganibona nokugcina senigwarana manifika le so ngifuna ukunika lelithuba nyalo reintroduce ungete nalokuthi ucokiwe so sive kuse introduction yakho seyitshintshile yini.
Introduction yami manje seyikhulile. I'm an actor,
Yeah.
I'm a producer, I'm a theater practitioner, I'm a stand-up comedian,
Yeah.
I'm a writer, and I'm a director, and also I am a proud father.
Yeah.
Yes, to a very yellow-bone son.
Yeah. Mina ke thungale linye elikhaya la lokushini lengilisaba ngenxa yenu bengiya lapha kuleli khaya lapha lelikhaya la kaKhoza uyakubona
Yeah.
sengiyalisaba ngafika benisashoota kusagijima ingadi njengoba ushilo ukuthi ungumlingisi la uyiactor sagcine sesinibona kumabona kuze ungasicocela le story leso ukuthi mhlambe naqala kanjani nini la kukhulunywa ngani senisuka kanjani la kaKhoza la seniyofika eTV nini. Yeah.
No, because I was a competition movie. Yeah, I am the director and part of the writing crew.
Yep.
Yale story. So because I was a film for a competition, lebe singenele creator iBarberton Mines and Elangeni Generations, which movie yethu lahamba aze lafika ku number 2, whereby sagcina sesiba recognized by SABC.
Yeah.
And ku SABC, it was the most watched movie 2023 on a Sunday.
Yeah.
On SABC 2023 because I was the most watched.
Yeah.
Because uniquely the movie it has comedy and some horror and a dash of action yana there, and that's a very great storyline for it.
Ngilebe ngisafuna ukubuta ngiyajabula ufikile lapha ngoba wena utendela amahlaya eceleni njengoba uyidirector uTori ngifuna kuva ukuthi manibhala leti story yakhona kuyibhala i-character le njalo ukuthi okay lo yasifuna hlanya ngoba ngendeka nje sibabona bayahlanya niyakubhala ukuthi niyamhlanyisa umuntu nini.
Yeah, as a writer na ngithi it was low budget, so as a low budget you know you have to know ukuthi okay ngiyosebenzisana nebantu labaso so that mawubhala ubhale according to the characters you have. Kuma high budget films uba nema writers, a team of writers babhale, then we are kuma auditions.
Yeah.
Ngithola when going for my auditions you look exactly for what you want.
Yeah.
But go low budget you know ukuthi okay ndobe ngisebenzisana na 1 2 3 and so this guy could play this character so your storyline funa sihambe according to those tributaries.
Asithi nasi le storyline senginaso la ngibone i-roast babhalela okay bekungini ma comedian nibhalela abantu noma labangasima comedian ukuthi bayoshola lama joke.
Yeah.
So mawubhala kufuna ukuthi lolo actor ko abe comedian or just net lo muntu angabhala then istoyibona i-character. Yeah.
A great actor knows what to do because a script siyasho ukuthi manje script is descriptive in English.
Yeah.
Script siyakutshela ukuthi okay manje you have to smile kumbe you have to yabona pull something on the table kumbe nje script siyakudirector kwasona ukuthi okay from la to la, and those words if you washo ngalendlela ababhalele ngayo and you add we are add nawe mangumuntu mawul actor ngithi angeke vele ukuthi wena vele actor bugebengu vele yabona stereotype no uba versatile. So mawumbhalela umuntu noma ngasi i-comedian, to answer your question, umuntu noma ngasi i-comedian ungakhona ukumthatha umbhalele ama jokes umfaka stage as long as a good ku public speaking angakhona ukuthi awa perform those.
Kunendeleni ngoba nithi nifike ku number 2 yes Limosh kwathi sikhuluma ngakaKhoza nine individually khona le kunendele kona sensindlale lapha na ungathikhulumela nje ukuthi ufile njani ngoba ngicabanga benisendela kusenifuna into sikhomba la lokushini anginikhumbula kambe yini umjindi lena ahamba nawe nama screening yeah
Mpumalanga
Eh,
yes
yeah.
umjindi umjindi vele wazi ube ne tour around Mpumalanga wa create ama group for yona ukuthi yobukelwa yabona nalapha abathoni kwatiwa nje but kule tour bekubitwa people who not the whole community bantu laba in the industry of filming because sifuna ukukhulisana criticize that because ukhumbule ukuthi Mjindi was our first movie so ngila besibita khona lamanye ama creatives atosguide ukuthi okay hayi lana nimoshile lana so kakhoza we were rectifying lama mistakes lendeke kumjindi
yeah
yakubona because bese sine experiences sesiye kuma tours safunza lokana so mina kakhoza inkhulise kakhulu kakhoza as a stand up comedian yabo benefits because the character lengidlala lapha it's comedy like so I get to be me.
Yeah.
I was free so ngikhonile ukuthi mangidlala leya character leya bantu mabangibukela bangitsanze ngithole I got my gigs, I got my guest appearances which yakunetha lokho as the industry yabona sathola ngikho ukuthi emkhe manje every Thursday we are hosting eMbombela we got ngathi 3 ma offer.
Yeah.
We only took 2 lapha bathon 1 and 1 eMbombela because to the garden and babathon Gamafuso.
ngifuna sikhulume ngalenza bayala magig la niba ne venue yabona njengoba besikhuluma ngambe yini ngibekise ngayo I roast ukuthi bekunenza ukuthimba iComedy Central niba nema venue enu nane kumbe kuniya la kunebantu khona nini for comedy
For comedy manje okay akhona ama clubs comedy ukuthi strictly comedy from Monday to Sunday you will find comedy okay there's music there are DJs but you know ukuthi maybe from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. there's comedy day akhona ama clubs lanjalo ngalabo Jozi but thine kulela kithi laseMpumalanga noma saseMbombela asengafinyeleli apho so squeeze in kule mainstream kumbe kule timeline le khona already yangithola
yeah
sizame ukuthi sisebenze kiyo sizame ukuthi kusebende na these people who are already working these establishments la already established sikhona ngena kuwo kancane but I think we will get to the point where sesiba nathi comedy club where we do comedy like from Monday to Sunday
nigcine senivusa kamavuso iComedy
yes
lapha hey yabona ngendlela niperforma ngayo kubonakele ukuthi nemakhaya ngcine niperforma netimfene lapha
shout out to Vincent yeah big shout out to Vincent bese shout out to Sean the talking monkey yeah Sean is very funny mngani wami Vincent yena ngiyamazi but Sean yeah Sean is a friend of mine
bachazele kahle Sean ukhuluma ngale monkey
yeah Sean ngile monkey Vincent ngilomuntu lobala celeni kwale monkey Vincent yeah kamavuso is guy an opportunity ukuthi sinathi sti challenge sende iComedy from every week that's challenging kwenda ama jokes every week and you know with people but talk no but this joke we handle it nini you have to come up with new material the only challenge ukuthi bese sigcina sesidila na the same crowd yabo
okay
kani ku this industry kumele ube flexible wathi ukuthi okay this crowd ifuna lokho this kind of crowd ifuna lokho this kind of crowd yakubona yes
babona ukufika ecala le crowd abasofuna ukuthasha khona singifuna kuva ukuthi ani bese niyenda weekly
yes
sese understand nyale comedy kuze vele nani angeke nisathuka ukuthi niyodila ne crowd le matim
inzawo ine crowd yakho because kamavuso kune crowd yakhona lo thuma uperformela yona you know ukuthi okay my jokes atohamba la bese letindzawo nato tine crowd yayo ukuthi okay this kind of crowd yebantu labadzala this kind of crowd yema teenagers yabo njalo this kind of crowd yebantu labanemali abantu labanemali yabo laba educated ngeke ubendele ama jokes ebantu doto webendela labangakafunzi yabo ku different that's why kubalekile ukuthi umove around ungajwayeli the same crowd because mawujwayele the same crowd uyalimala moving to the next crowd then you will feel like abaweva ama jokes kakho kan no you do not cater to their need so is now connect fit everyone as a comedian but siyakhula siyafunza kancane Sidogcina sesikhetharela for each and every crowd yasihlangana nayo.
Ubonakele ukhule kakhulu ulibonile lefilimu liqalise lithi emjindini liqalise la emjindini nakhula naye akakhoza lokuthi kuze kube ngakhoza adlala national kuthi lesibonga sisisa la lokuthi emjindini engila ngiyobe ngithola la so uke wawina iaward yala Barberton as a best comedian nyalo awusekho la Babtin
nyalo sesempumalanga
yeah so sempumalanga
provisional
ucokiwe mnakethu uqale usitshele ke ukuthi okay so recognize ngala asasilifilimu leli sekwende kaGcobo
nyala sekefilmini ukuthi sesilana manje ukuthi ema Sunrise Excellence Sunrise which means Mpumalanga Excellence Awards so ukuthi they recognize those who are doing good eMpumalanga from makeup outfits kuningi this year at the comedy it was not there ukuthi the movement ya comedy eMpumalanga has touched them ukuthi no let's add this category because previous years bengekho lelona this nomination or this particular category yes best stand up comedian yes nami bangifakile ke lo mnyaka the nomination nje to be the part of the first guys who are nominated for the first time it means a lot because I'm also nominated nebantu who are very big in the industry some of those people used to be my role models are still my role models
no ngende kabuyisho kahle ukuthi nyalo wena so role model abasathi ngende kabuyisho kahle
no these people yabona nabo bangikhulisile ngasho njalo ukuthi bangamkele ku comedy scene bangikhulisa ngafunza lokuningi kubo nabo bafunza kimi so I'm honored ukuthi ngibe part compete nabo for this category and the award.
Before siyofika ukuthi sikuvotela kanjani nani umlaleli la ngimthembisile mina ukuthi kunento lekufuna ayiwine lehambisana necrew yeni lapha ngijabulisa ke mawuthi wena umfana wakho Yellow Bone kunawe ngifuna kunibala nje ngalama bone kunel black bone Vincent kunel brown bone mancoba Yellow Bone le monkey angayiboni ukuthi niyifakile kune date lekhona kumbe ma date kuwina umunye kumbe kwendekela naso usichazele nje yonke
lana this thing kuna sesi loyo tuwinela nje i-date nabhuti latabe amkhethile kuthi abone ukuthi ngikuphi ibhuti bangavakashela page lami lapha ku Facebook loyanda Maseko bascroll babone beke ukuthi ngwapostile lamajaha labangawakhetha so this date will be fully paid for okay sekuthi ukuthi yena ufuna kiswaphi ayena leli jaha lalikhethile lapha kulamajaha la 11 la khona laphiyana yes
ukhetha leli 1
ukhetha leli 1 yena la jabulela ukuthi hayi ngathi ngahamba nalo date
usebalandzela kuphi
kuluyanda Maseko but we will only choose one we will only choose one lotobe awinile lotobe avotile nemahlandla lamaningi
bakubonile la Barberton bakubonile la Mpumalanga lokunye ngikhumbula kwake kwaba ne competition ukuthi niyo performer kwe event lethi ya la Mpumalanga wawina so sebaya kwathi bantu bakubone kakhulu nyalo then bafuna ukusupport bakuvotela njani
mawufuna ukungivotela uSMS uvela ungena kuma SMSs wakho ubhale ukuthi ngema capital letters ABMF 85 simple ABMF 85 le SMS leyo uyisenda to 40439 ngiyaphinza futhi uSMS ABMF 85 leyo SMS leyo uyisenda to 4039 iSMS icosta 2 rands you can SMS as much as you want and as much as you can akuna limit so ngajabula kakhulu ukuthi bangachubeka kanjalo abantu bangisupport because I've seen bantu bangisendela ama screenshot uthi yo bro congratulations we are voting nama have posted some screenshots labanye mangihlangana nabo yasho ukuthi hayi nayi airtime nginayo ya5 iyenda lana because sine labanye squad ukuthi kwenta kanjani masibona lapha ku Facebook that's why ngibongile kuwe ukuthi ungibide la ngochazela mlaleli ukuthi ma SMS awusenda kanjani wenda njani yabo because labanye mangihlana nabo bathi hayi asati ukuthi usenda njani kuphi bese banginetha le phone bese ngiyeka but mangenda ngibethe ngiyakhoma it's simple it's like usendela I number I message but ubhala lo ABMF 85 usenda to 40439 after kusenda lokho kutobe sengena imessage lesho ukuthi sovotile.
Ma comedy kulula ngoba siyabona mase nikhiphe ama poster ukuthi okay indawo bakuphi nakuphi.
Yes.
Kukhona lefilm leni busy ngalo, khona lokubhalako, khona lokudirectako, kwendekalani?
Yeah, currently si busy okay, kahle sicetha kushoota i-reality show, but you know with this industry you can never be certain ukuthi socethile because ithi mayisa ku post production because kune pre production ne post production. My post production ubone ukuthi no kushoda ukuthi sede lokhu nalokhu and then isenyabiyela nakungeda, so I can't say we have vele sesivalile this documentary or reality show, but yona iyeta on the biggest platforms of the country. Yeah, let's kusebenzisana nayo vele from our movies to now, and then we will be shooting a series. I'm not sure ukuthi soyiqala nini, but yona isendleleni very soon.
Uqinisile lapha kushoda mina lapha, so yeah nasilungisa esengapheleli.
Yes,
then se makhada aphelile siyalinzela kubona ama comedy kungasikutsala kumbe kusibhizi ngala movie.
Ma comedy sesikhathi sawo nyalo sesikhathi sawo ukuthi siwashaye from Thursday to Thursday kuze kuphela lo mnyaka, because sesibhalile nathi sesamile. We have made friends from those friends. Okay, sesende bangani let's toba invite. Our comedy friends are ready to be invited ePapaton last time sihosta khona ama comedy Thursday. Kutoba mnanzi kakhulu, kutoba lit.
Bengizothi sesende bangani netilwane ngoba yinye bese siyibonile yilona ni performa nayo. Then
le yamfanele if usengamboni Sean usenkingeni, awusengaze wahlekisisa kahle. If usengaboni Sean you are missing out, so please make sure ukuthi the next comedy show bakhona like balokhona ukuthi Sean the Talking Monkey when they show ukuthi uba khona, because le yamfanele ayinethi inzalo.
Bafuna ukukulandzela abantu khona kubona konke leli esikhulume ngako bakulandzela ku
Facebook is Luyanda Maseko. Utobona mawusesha Luyanda Maseko kutovela Luyanda bese kuba na Mr Beautiful in brackets lapha eceleni waleli gama lami nguyelwanda Maseko loyo ke. Ku Instagram it's @Luyanda Maseko SA, ku TikTok it's @Luyanda Maseko SA nakhona.
Mnakethu no sibonga kakhulu sikufisela inhlanhla ubuye celebrate la masowini.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu, ngijabula ukuthi ngibe nawe. Shout out to everyone ongilalele, ngiyajabula kulaba ngivotela. Shout out angeke ngibabide ngamagama kungasa mfowethu, people are supporting me kakhulu, so shout out to everyone supporting me. Shout out to Vincent le award lena akusiyami ngedwane because na ngipushana ema comedy Thursday, so if ngiwina kutomele babhale naye Vincent kancane lapha ngepencil ngithi into khona graba after isikhashana.